Forgotten username recovery failed on NerdWallet Fix. If you've tried to recover your NerdWallet username and keep running into dead ends, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong because NerdWallet now primarily uses your registered email rather than a traditional username for account access. The surprising truth is that guessing usernames usually leads nowhere. Your email is the key. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Go to the NerdWallet login page and click Forgot Username. Instead of trying old usernames, enter the email address linked to your account. This is the primary way NerdWallet identifies your account now. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, you'll need to verify your identity. Gather details like your full name, date of birth, and any linked accounts or financial information you've used with NerdWallet. This ensures only you can regain access. Step 3. After verifying your email or identity, you may be prompted to reset your password. Follow the instructions carefully and check spam or junk folders if the reset email doesn't appear immediately. Step 4. If all else fails, contact NerdWallet support directly. Explain that your username recovery attempts failed and provide the required personal details. Their support team will guide you securely through the recovery process. Most users assume they're permanently locked out, but the reality is simple. NerdWallet transitioned away from usernames to improve security and streamline login. By following these steps, you'll regain access quickly and securely. Focus on your registered email, verify your identity when needed, and you'll be back managing your financial tools and insights without frustration.